Have you ever tried making a full AI short film or dramatic scene only to be hit by constant visual breaks? You fix one shot, but the character's face changes in the next. You try to extend a clip and the motion gets jittery, forcing you to constantly stitch 3-second clips together. AI video storytelling used to feel more like fighting software than directing a story. Well, CapCut Web just dropped Seedance 2.5 and it changes the entire workflow. We are moving from fragmented, hard-to-control clips to a single end-to-end studio where you go from idea to finished film seamlessly. Look at this finished AI drama sequence right here. Smooth camera moves, multi-character consistency, and 30-second native clips without a single seam. Today I'm showing you step by step how to build professional narrative content like this entirely inside CapCut Web. Let's start from the very beginning. Click the direct link in the description to head to CapCut and open CapCut Web. Ensure you're on the web version rather than the desktop app. After logging into your account, choose Video Studio to access the editing workspace. This whole workflow operates entirely inside your browser. Now, before generating random clips, we start with the most important step for long-term production: custom skill creation. Instead of typing the same complex prompts repeatedly, custom skills allow you to build and archive exclusive brand assets, visual rules, character designs, and storytelling styles. You can create a skill simply by uploading visual references or typing specific chat instructions. Once saved, Video Studio remembers your exact character traits and aesthetic across every single scene generation. This saves massive amounts of pre-production time and keeps your entire narrative tone 100% consistent. Next, let's talk scene planning on Video Studio's Infinite Canvas. Here you can lay out scripts, images, and video references side by side to visualize your story taking shape. When you're ready to generate, Seedance 2.5 takes control to a whole new level. It can understand up to 50 multi-modal reference assets simultaneously. Whether you need to reference character poses, lighting setups, or environment styles, you can feed up to 50 assets into the model. Even better, Seedance 2.5 features 3D white model reference control. That means you can lock down exact camera angles, character poses, and motion paths using 3D structural references. The AI builds fully rendered, realistic scenes over the structural guidance without losing motion control. Now for the fun part, generating our main narrative scene. Unlike older models limited to tiny fragments, Seedance 2.5 features native 30-second single-segment generation. In just one pass, you get a full 30-second continuous shot with rich storytelling and natural pacing, no manual stitching required. Need a longer scene? You can extend your clip up to 90 seconds while maintaining structural and character continuity. Let's input our story excerpt prompt directly into the timeline. In one continuous flow, Video Studio drafts the brief, generates the storyboard, and outputs our full 30-second dramatic shot with perfect character retention. Seedance 2.5 solves this with timestamp-based storyline control. Instead of starting from scratch, you can isolate an exact time range, for instance, between seconds 4 and 8, and apply targeted edits. Want to change the background to a sunset beach at second 5, or swap out a specific prop mid-scene? You just specify the timestamp in CapCut Web, and the model updates only that section while keeping the rest of the clip untouched. You get ultra-precise, localized adjustments for easy iteration. Once your AI scenes are generated and refined, the final polish happens on CapCut Web's multi-track editor. Without leaving the browser, you can layer sound effects, dynamic music, auto captions, and cinematic transitions across multiple audio and visual tracks. You can quickly generate high-volume narrative content using this end-to-end pipeline from initial prompt and skill call to final export. CapCut Web with Seedance 2.5 completely redefines AI video production by giving creators real control over motion, characters, and scene timing. Give Video Studio on CapCut Web a try using the link down below, test out custom skill creation, and start building your own AI film sequence today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you're creating next.